Hello everybody, Mannix here. Just going to show you real quick how to oil up a knife. We need to keep our knives oiled the same reason we need to keep our cars oiled. As you keep deploying, opening and closing, using the knife, it starts to get grittier and grittier and grittier. A very simple way we can do this for most cases. This knife's not too bad. It's a little bit stiff. And that has something to do with how tight it is as well. The tighter it is, the more stiff it's going to be, obviously. But we obviously want our knives to be as tight as possible, but also be as smooth as possible. So grab yourself any kind of knife oil you're using. I've been using tuf-glide for nearly a decade now, but there's many other brands out there. I don't think it really matters. It's the same crap from who knows where. But we're just going to apply some where the pivot is close to. Anyway, I just put a few drops right there. Some people may say that's a little bit too much, but if you're going to say that's too much, I have no idea why you're watching this video in the first place, because the video is titled How to Oil a Knife or something along the lines of that. So that would be under the impression you already know how to oil a knife. So I don't know why anyone would complain about that, but regardless, we're just going to keep opening and closing this guy until you start feeling it get smoother and smoother. It's going to find its way into every creak and crack of where it needs to go. Another spot. These needle applicators help a lot. I have no idea how to conveniently oil up a knife if there is no needle applicator. If it just pours out with like a big old, cap full like that, I'm not sure how you're supposed to cleanly do that, but much better. Now all we have to do is wipe off the excess oil that's going to be left that is exposed. We want all the oil on the internal of the knife, not the outside of it. And oil is very good for our blade steel, so give that a generous little dab right there. This knife wasn't too great of an example. It wasn't super gritty or anything, but it was noticeably not very smooth. I couldn't smoothly transition it from the open to closed position and vice versa without it bumping around a little bit because of whatever debris got in there or whatever dried up. But there we go, much better. Little something for the knife noobs there. Thank you so much for watching. Mannix out.